Hello and welcome to ksgindia.com. Today we are here to discuss about landmark 75th session of UNGA.
The landmark 75th session of the United Nations General Assembly has amidst the devastating coronavirus pandemic, with the world leaders set to meet virtually for the first time in the UN's 75th year history for the annual high-level session as they confront some of the most serious threats facing humanity. Turkish diplomat Volkan Bozkır assumed charge as the president of the 75th session of the UN General Assembly, succeeding Nigeria's Tijani Muhammad Bande. The world leader will submit pre-recorded video statements for the high-level meeting and summits, the first time in the UN's history that the high-level week is being held largely virtually. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, addressing the opening of the UNGA session, said that the year will be a critical one in the life of the United Nations, as countries must continue to respond to the immediate impact of COVID-19 pandemic by strengthening health system and supporting the development and equitable distribution of treatments and vaccines. The UN chief said that the extent of pandemic, its social and economic impact, and its interaction with other global challenges and megatrends is unwavering, and our only hope is to respond with unity and solidarity while supporting the most vulnerable. The UN chief urged that nations must prepare to build a strong recovery based on 2030 agenda and the Paris Agreement. The high-level meeting of the General Assembly to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the United Nations will take place on September 21st. The general debate of the 75th session of Assembly will commence from September 22nd and run till September 29. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro is listed as the first speaker for the general debate. The US traditionally the second speaker on the opening day of the general debate, and if Trump travels to New York. The summit on biodiversity will be held on September 30, high-level meeting of the General Assembly on 25th. Anniversary of the 4th World Conference of Women on October 1st, and high-level meeting to commemorate and promote the International Day for the total elimination of nuclear weapons on October 2nd.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos.